It's the Raging Cajun Blazing Agent coming at you with another repair video. We got a 2012 Chevy Impala. We're doing intake manifold. Well, it's really, we're doing a tune-up. We're doing a tune-up. But there's a V6, 3.5, 3.6 liter V6, and this one actually has a little upgrade on the interior. But anyway, doing a tune-up, right? So to get these front spark plugs, coil packs, right? Real easy, okay? Take out your 10mm bolt, pull up the coil pack, slide this back, push that tab, and then get your coil pack. Now, the ones in the back, you got to remove the intake manifold. Well, you don't necessarily have to remove it, but in order to gain access to those, you have to move it forward a little bit. So you got this pipe right here on the back. What I like to do is stick a pick in there and then kind of lift up back here and push that forward. Same thing with the bottom one, and you need to get that off. I just left that on. I'm not gonna disconnect that. You got a 10mm bolt right there. The rest of these are 13s. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the front, you're gonna disconnect your PCV hose and this electrical connector. There's an 8mm clamp right here holding that in. Let's see. Here's your little, see that? That's for your, I want to say PCV. Just push a little button in. This right here goes on that breather tube right here on the back, and to release it, you're gonna push forward right here. So there's this little tab right here, right? And you just push this forward, like move it that way. So you got to do there. Pull that up. And then maybe you might want to unplug your throttle body, but I just want to move this out the way. Also, I mean, at this time you could replace your upper intake manifold gasket. I think the one on this is good. It's not having any misfires. We're just doing routine maintenance, so there's no indication that anything should be wrong as far as like vacuum seals, any kind of leak. There's no misfire. It's just routine maintenance. But that's it. That's how you get to the spark plugs in the back. And then you're just going to take out these 10mm, take off your plug, pull up your coil pack, and then you're going to slide your spark plug tool down in there to get your spark plug out. Make sure you put some anti-seize on the new spark plugs when they're going in. And supposedly when you tighten down this right here, you want to go in a crisscross pattern. So you want to start like here, go here, 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 something like that. But it really doesn't matter. Just tighten it down. But that's it. It's a 2012 Chevy Impala intake manifold replacement tune-up. This is basically how you do it. Now, if you're going to replace the whole intake manifold, or you want to remove it, then yeah, just disconnect that plug and that plug, and that's really it. That's the only thing holding it in right now, are those two electrical connectors. Other than that, it's ready to come out. All right, thanks for watching the video. Peace. Oh, okay, so I missed something. Okay, well, I didn't miss it, but all right, so remember I said take out that 10mm right there? Yeah, but when you're doing the installation, you want to take out that one also, and then there's another one right here on the side. This is for your power steering reservoir, so that you can move this back, because when you're putting the intake manifold back on, you want this right here to be underneath your power steering pump. So your power steering pump goes on the top of that, okay? Otherwise, it's not going to go all the way down. But you need to be able to move this reservoir out of the way when you're doing the installation. So you got to take out that bolt and then that one right there on the side when you're doing the installation, okay? And then you know, just like I said, you only got 2 plugs in the back. You got that one right there. You got this one right here, and they just push them back on. And you got your purge valve. You know, plug that in, and then tighten down your 13s. Reconnect this right here. Tighten down the 8mm for your throttle body, and that's it. That's it. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Peace.